Hello Goenkans, we are going through chapter Cell, the fundamental unit of life. You will open page number 60 of your textbook. Our yesterday's topic was endoplasmic reticulum. We discussed two types of endoplasmic reticulum. One was smooth endoplasmic reticulum, another was rough endoplasmic reticulum. I will try to show you smooth and rough endoplasmic reticulum with this. See, this is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It doesn't have ribosomes on it. You can see it's smooth, no ribosomes on it. Now, if we talk about rough endoplasmic reticulum, you can see ribosomes are present there. This is rough endoplasmic reticulum. Fine. Ribosomes are there. These are ribosomes. Fine. Ribosomes are there on it. So we call it rough. Ribosomes give it a rough appearance. You compare it with this smooth endoplasmic reticulum. No ribosomes are there. It is smooth. And see, it is connected from nuclear envelope, sometimes to outside, sometimes it is in the cytoplasm only. It's up to cytoplasm only. It does not touch the membrane, plasma membrane. But sometimes it touches the plasma membrane and it starts from the nuclear envelope. Fine? Then our today's topic is functions of endoplasmic reticulum. Endoplasmic reticulum divides the cytoplasm into small compartments. It is quite clear on the diagram. Please have a look on diagram and try to understand the functions. Whatever I will say, it is related to the diagram. You will just have a look on this diagram and then go through the functions. Again, I will repeat. Endoplasmic reticulum divides the cytoplasm into small compartments. You can see this endoplasmic reticulum is dividing the cytoplasm into small compartments. It gives rigidity to the cell. It gives strength to the cell. If this would not have been there, cell would have collapsed. Fine. So this acts as a skeletal framework of the cell. Like bones are the skeletal framework of our body, isn't it? Bones form the skeletal framework of our body. Same way, this endoplasmic reticulum forms the skeletal framework of the cell. If it would not have been there, cell would have collapsed, but it is there. It's providing rigidity, strength to the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum divides the cytoplasm into small compartments. It gives rigidity to the cell, thus acts as a skeletal framework of the cell. Next point, it serves as a channel and helps in transporting different materials such as proteins between various regions of the cytoplasm as well as between the cytoplasm and the nucleus. As it helps in intracellular transport, it is also known as the circulatory system of the cell. Very important point, often asked as MCQ, circulatory system of the cell is. Then you will be provided with 4 options. For example, lysosomes, Golgi apparatus, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum. You have to tick endoplasmic reticulum. Fine. So it helps in what? It helps in transportation. If something is, for example, prepared in nucleus, try to understand. Something is prepared in nucleus and it has to go outside the cell. Fine. So it will go via endoplasmic reticulum. It will enter into endoplasmic reticulum and endoplasmic reticulum will send it outside the cell. Or sometimes if something is prepared in the nucleus and cytoplasm needs it, the cell needs it, not outside the cytoplasm, so it will take it there. I hope you got me. So it serves as a channel and helps in transporting different materials such as proteins between various regions of the cytoplasm, that means within the cell, as well as between the cytoplasm and the nucleus, that is between cytoplasm and nucleus. Then one more thing is there, then this nucleus and outside the cell. So it helps in intracellular transport within a cell. Intra means within and inter means in between. Like we say intra-school competition or inter-school competition. Intra-school, within a school we have a competition, for example, badminton or something, we call it, or debates we have, we say intra-school, within a school. Now, if it is between our school and, for example, some other school, we call it inter-school tournaments, isn't it? So this is the difference between intra and inter. It helps in both transports, fine? inter as well as intracellular transport. It is also known as the circulatory system of the cell. You will keep this thing in mind. Next point is it acts as a cytoplasmic framework and provides a large surface area inside the cells for various biochemical activities. As the membrane is folded, you can see it's folded, isn't it? The endoplasmic reticulum is folded, and folded surfaces always have more surface area. When more surface area is there, what will happen? When more surface area is there, various biochemical activities can take place there. See, inside the cell, biochemical activities take place. So, if surface area is more activities will be there. It is folded, you can see. See, if we unfold this thing, this is folded, it's occupying less space. If we unfold it, it will become very long, isn't it? So folded things, try to understand, folded things have more surface area. You unfold it, it is long. But here, when it is folded, it's taking less space. Next point is the membranes of endoplasmic reticulum contain a number of enzymes for various metabolic activities. These membranes, the membranes which it has, there are enzymes present on it, and enzymes participate in metabolic activities. Catabolic, anabolic activities are going on in our cells. They take part in that. Fine. Then, if we talk about liver cells of vertebrates, like we are vertebrates, isn't it? Human beings. If we talk about our liver cells, smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in detoxification of many poisons and drugs. Fine. If there are poisons in our body, isn't it? There are toxic substances in our body. Detoxification, the cells of this liver, they detoxify such substances, toxins, etc. because of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum helps in detoxification of toxins, poisons, etc. And as we know, smooth endoplasmic reticulum also helps in synthesis of lipids, and those lipids are part of membranes. Lipids form these hormones which we discussed yesterday. Please go through your book, read between the lines, fine, and draw diagram of animal cell, very important, again in all higher grades, fine. This is again in grade 11, again in grade 12, then entrance, etc. And first of all, it is in your syllabus, 9th grade syllabus. It should be very clear to you. Fine. Draw a beautiful big diagram. Make use of your notebooks. Exhaust them. No need to make a small diagram. Diagram should always be big. Fine. And label it properly. You can put colors on it. I'm not talking about poster colors or sketch pens. You can put pencil colors, crayons, oil pastels, whatever is available. Fine. So make use of it. Label it properly. Try to understand things. Fine. I hope things are clear to you. Stay safe, stay healthy, stay inside. Take care, Goenkans. Bye-bye.